BlueBox video 4.8. In this exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to create an area chart. An area chart is basically imagine you drew a line and then you colored everything underneath it down to that horizontal axis. And in this particular case, we want to keep track of the various types of massages we had over this 8-week period. So week 1 will be the first value we plot, week 2, the second, and so on. We're only going to focus on the from pregnancy down to hot stone. So I'm going to highlight A16 all the way down to I-20. So one way to do that, since I can see all of this, is I can move over to where I-20 is, the hot stone. And when I get to the end with A16 already selected, I can then click on the shift key and then click on that number 6. Notice I gave it the upper left and bottom right hand corner. That's another way of selecting. So with just that, I'm going to create an area chart. So I'm going to go to Insert. The area chart is, from the Max standpoint, a type of line. It's a two-dimensional line. So I click on the lines and I get a whole bunch of selections, and I'm going to choose the 2D area, two-dimensional area. When I do that, then I'm going to go and move it so that it is located between D2 and I2. So I'll just drag this up, D2, and I'm not D2 and I2, D2 and I12. And I'll drag it up to I12. We'll give the chart here a name. And the name is going to be massage types over the past 8-week period. So I will go ahead and give it that name. Except before I do that, I want this to be they have this not only an area chart, they want this to be a stacked area chart, which gives me an opportunity to show you how we can change chart types. Once we've selected one and decide that's not the one we want, we can go to change chart type. And I'll go to line. And once I have line, I can try to find not just the two-dimensional area, but I'm going to find the two-dimensional stacked area so that this is what our charts look like. It wasn't just the area, but rather stacked area. Again, I'm also going to give it the name, chart massage types over 8-week period. So click on chart title. Again, I can double click in that. Once I've selected the words chart title, I hit the delete key, and now I can type massage types over the number 8-week period. Massage type over 8-week period. Again, do make sure that you don't just use an area chart, but rather the stacked area chart that they asked for in this context. Once I'm finished and I'm finishing editing the chart title, I will click in the white space, the chart plot area, so that it knows that I'm finished with the chart title.